Today, you'll witness how millions of old cars are reborn as everyday pots and pans through advanced recycling.
The journey begins as discarded cars arrive at the recycling facility.
Each vehicle is carefully inspected to ensure efficient material recovery.
Automation takes control, moving vehicles seamlessly into the process. Robots dismantle vehicles with accuracy no human hand could match. The heart of each car is removed for material separation.
Every material is separated to maximize recycling efficiency.
Gigantic shredders reduce entire vehicles into raw metal pieces.
Powerful magnets isolate steel with remarkable accuracy. Smart sensors detect aluminum, preparing it for transformation.
Human expertise ensures every machine performs flawlessly.
Separated metals now move toward intense heat.
Extreme temperatures melt solid metal into liquid form.
What was once a car now flows as glowing liquid metal.
Refinement ensures only pure metal remains.
The liquid metal is shaped into solid foundations. Cooling prepares the metal for its next life.
Precision machines shape the metal for cookware production.
The recycled metal is now ready to become something new.
Here, recycled metal officially becomes everyday cookware. Powerful presses transform flat metal into functional shapes.
Automation ensures speed, accuracy, and consistency. Human judgment remains essential in modern manufacturing.
Only flawless products move forward.
Every detail is engineered for durability. Polishing gives cookware its final smooth finish. Advanced coatings improve performance and lifespan. Heat locks in durability and strength. Every product is tested to meet strict standards.
Functionality is verified before approval.
Successful products move toward final packaging. Packaging prepares cookware for global distribution. Logistics systems ensure flawless handling. Warehouses hold the results of this transformation.
Careful planning ensures timely delivery.
Products begin their journey to homes worldwide. Recycled metal now serves a new purpose.
This cycle repeats, reducing waste every day.
Recycling protects resources and the planet. From scrap to cookware, the transformation is complete.
This factory runs as a living system, where machines and people work together.
Human expertise guides technology at every step.
Modern recycling protects both people and the environment. Every step is measured to meet strict standards. From discarded vehicles to everyday essentials, nothing is wasted. This process continues every day, reducing waste worldwide. Recycling never truly stops. Every recycled car helps shape a more sustainable future.
If you found this journey inspiring, please like the video and share your thoughts in the comments below.
Tell us in the comments what product you'd like to see recycled next in our future videos.